Do you dread the chill of winter as it seems to bite into your body, turning your chronic pain up to 11? Well, you're not alone. With the bitter cold comes an uninvited guest, the intensification of chronic pain. But why does this happen? And more importantly, what can be done about it? Cold weather affects our bodies in many ways. It can tighten our muscles, exacerbate inflammation, and disrupt the signals our nerves send to our brains. But the question remains, how can one manage this added discomfort? Step 1. Keep warm. It may seem obvious, but it's crucial. Bundle up in layers, wear thermal clothing, and use heating pads when necessary. Keep your environment cozy too, with a warm, well-insulated home. Step 2. Stay hydrated. Winter air is often dry, both outdoors and indoors due to heating systems, and this can lead to dehydration, causing muscle aches and pains. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids, particularly warm ones like herbal teas. Step 3. Maintain a healthy diet. Certain foods can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 rich foods like fish into your meals. Avoid processed foods and sugars, as these can increase inflammation. Step 4. Get plenty of sleep. Rest is essential for the body to heal and restore itself. If your pain is keeping you awake, try using heated blankets or a warm bath before bed to soothe your muscles and promote sleep. Step 5. Stay social. Isolation can amplify feelings of pain and discomfort, so make an effort to connect with others, even if it's just a phone call or video chat. Remember, you're not alone in your experiences. Finally, Step 6. Consider seeking professional help. If your chronic pain becomes unmanageable, reach out to a healthcare provider. There are many treatment options available, from physical therapy to medication, that can provide significant relief. In summary, managing chronic pain in winter involves a blend of self-care and professional guidance. Keep warm, stay hydrated, maintain a healthy diet, get plenty of sleep, stay social, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. These steps may seem simple, but they can make a world of difference. Remember, winter can be tough, but you are tougher. With these tips in hand, you're ready to face the cold head-on, turning those icy winter days into a time of warmth and relief. So bundle up, sip that warm tea, chat to a friend, and know that you have the power to manage your chronic pain, no matter what the season brings.